See how the silk catches the light here?
Yeah.
Right here.
Yes, the blend ratio is spot on. We can move forward with these.
The stress data confirms the tear resistance is significantly improved over the previous iteration.
Yes, the durability scores are exactly what we aimed for.
This shipment here, batch 724, says it's missing 5 rolls.
No, I showed they arrived this morning. Let me scan the shelf tag again.
The digital rendering is almost perfect, but this sketch, yes, this is exactly the silhouette we need for the blazer.
The sleeve pitch on the digital model seems slightly off compared to the block.
Let me adjust the curve here and reprint the sample.
The key to a perfect blazer sleeve lies in the precision of the stitching and the careful alignment of the fabric layers.
The sleeve length is exactly 6'2" centimeters.
That matches the specification sheet.
Good.
Now check the chest.
38 inches, perfect.
The navy looks perfect on there.
Agreed, but this charcoal swatch seems slightly warmer than the bolt.
Yes, there's a slight metamerism here. Let's make a note.
Yes, this meets all our quality standards. Excellent work, everyone.
We need to get this pallet secured before the next shipment arrives.
Almost done here, making sure the blazers are stacked correctly.
Looks good. Seal it up.